Hey guys, it's Lisa Little Toe. If you watched my previous planner video, then you'll know I was using the Sarah Scribbles 18-month planner, and I tried it out for a while, but the format and the layout of the planner itself was so different from what I was used to, and it was unsuitable for my needs, so I abandoned the planner for a while. And then I went back to it and I decided to use it as a habit tracker. And I did that for about a month or two, and then I abandoned it again. And I decided that I needed something better for my life right now. So then I thought, why not just use my traveler's notebook as a planner? I always use my traveler's notebook as a journal or as a scrapbook, but never really as a planner. So on the front here, I just have this little field note size insert that I made myself using graph paper. And this little notebook I just slip right here, and when I'm going out, I take it out just so that I have a place to jot down notes or ideas or to-do lists. And then here I have the Olive Traveler's notebook by the Travelers Company. And I just have a pink elastic to match the pink covers of the inserts. Here I have this cute little witch charm because Halloween is coming up. I know it's only September, but you know, Halloween's coming. And then down here I have these cute little paper bead charms on the bookmark. When I open it up, I have this journaling card washi taped here, and it says, "You are something magical," which I think I always need a reminder that, you know, I'm okay, I'm doing well, I'm special, I'm something important to the world. And this insert I also sewed and put together myself. This insert is a month's insert. And here I have September. I just have down some birthdays, holidays, important things. And on the sides, on the notes section, I have down what I'm reading and what I'm watching. And then, I think this is probably a weird thing to do, but I sandwiched an insert within another insert because I made a mistake. This is actually A5 when this notebook is just standard size, and so I had to cut this down a little bit. And then with this one, I didn't realize I was printing personal size, so it's a little smaller. Also these inserts, you can get them for free from Wendaful.com, and she's so awesome for putting these out on her blog for free. And then over here, I have this piece of vellum from the Amy Tangerine sketchbook paper pad. It's pretty thick vellum, and it's very, very colorful, and I love it. This is a folder that I made myself. I just have a few sticky notes here just in case. Here's a pocket, and on the back, I have this little journaling card that says when I got this traveler's notebook, so I can celebrate it every year. And then here's some extra scrap white paper just in case I need it. And then on this folder, I put a pen loop so that I can stick down my pen. And then this insert here is a weekly. I'm going to flip to a blank. And what I really love about this one is that it's got a mix of a traditional layout, but also on the left side, there's a bunch of boxes that say to do, to buy, to contact. There's a habit tracker, a notes section, a meal section, and I find that very helpful in my adult life. On the sides, to keep things colorful and fun, I just added some washi tapes. And for the current week, I put this cute little paper clip on. And yeah, that is basically my planner. And this may bother some people with the overhang, but I have so much overhang using this notebook all the time anyway that it doesn't bother me anymore. And I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of like a sneak peek, like a peekaboo. You know, like I get to see a little bit of the inside, so it's not just a plain olive cover. I get a little bit of a surprise. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Lisa Little Toe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!